Hey, what the hell is this? Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm playing this game called Nicktoons Racing. What? Oh, look at this girl. What the hell is that? Look at her mouth, bruh. I'm not trying to judge, bruh, but that shit is crazy. That's a big mouth, bruh. Ah, look at this baby, bro. What the fuck? That shit is nasty. Let's do this. What the fuck was that? Do you get it? The meme? No? No. Fuck you, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Zero. What the fuck is this game, bro? This game is crazy. Oh, release the characters and shit. Ah! He looks cute. What the fuck? I like him. I like him, bro. Stimpy. More like I'm gonna stomp on your ass. No? That shit was trash. Ickes. Your name is Ickes. We got Patrick, bitch ass. Get your fat ass out of my face. Little SpongeBob. We got the Biebers. Justin Biebers? No, that shit is not. Cats and dogs. But look at this bitch. Monkey. Monkey. Uugaga looking ass. Bro, this the bitch, bruh. That shit is crazy. Looking like this, then you have braces is crazy. Helga. The fuck? You need to go to hell, bruh. Arnold. Angelica. And Tommy. Bitch ass. Bro, look at his face, bro. What the fuck? Bro, let's do. You know what? Let's do Patrick, bro. Bitch, I'm not happy to pick you, motherfucker. This boy is so happy, like, oh my god! Can't pick me! Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Patrick bitch ass is so fucking happy, like, oh my god! Can't pick me! But shut your bitch ass up, bro. Shut your bitch ass up. Loading. Raptor Raceway. Did you hear the Rapture, guys? The African guy, he said, fuck that. Yes. What the hell? But this shit is crazy. Bro, the graphics is crazy. Yes. What the hell? No, bitch, the fuck? Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. More motherfucker! What the fuck? He's trying to dick me. What the hell? Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Let to go in here. Bro, this game is so fucking slow, bro. What the fuck? I like the song though. What the hell? Bro, you're a bitch, bro. This game is easy, bro. This game is easiest game of my fucking life. Bitch. Bro, this game is fun, bro. What the fuck? But I'm not gonna lie, Patrick is so fucking slow because he's fat as fuck. Bitch. That was what you get, bruh. Oh, what? Are you serious right now? Bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, who is first, bro? What? What? I go to shortcut and I'm still third? Are you serious right now? Patrick, stop emoting, bro. Stop emoting, you bitch. Your fat ass. It's not fast enough, bro. You stop eating all the burger, bro. You fat ass bitch.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go, bro. Let's do this again. Holy guacamole. God damn. Goodness gracious. Move, bitch. You serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now, bro? And what the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, are you serious right now? Bro, this game is broken as shit. What the fuck? Oh my goodness, bro. What? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, are you serious right now? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, this game... What? Bro, this game is not trash, but it's kinda trash. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, oh my goodness gracious. Yes, give me a fucking booster, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? That's what you get, bitch. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Patrick, what the fuck? What the fuck, Patrick? You saw me, motherfucker. Bro, Patrick is such a bitch, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I got stuck there. What? Holy guacamole, bro. Look at this bitch. Are you serious right now? Bro, Patrick, you son of a bitch, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, this character is so trash, bro. Oh my goodness gracious. Patrick, you sold the fuck out of me. What the fuck? Come here, bitch. No! No, 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 no! What the fuck? Come here, bitch. The fuck, you I bet that is so fucking good, bro. What are you doing, Patrick? What are you doing? Why are you backing up? Why? What are you doing? What the fuck? Stop backing up, motherfucker! What the fuck? Bro, this guy... Nah, fuck, bro. This game is so broken, bro. Look at this shit, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Bro, this game cannot be serious, bro. Are you serious? What the fuck? Bro, if you fucking touch the wall, there's like a fucking crowd control, bro. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? Bro, look at this goopy ass. Bro, the wall is fucking crazy. Bro, look at this bitch ass. So fucking happy, bro. Bro, you didn't win, bro. You didn't win. Holy shit. Bro, that fucking monkey is overreacting. What the fuck, bro? Bro is so fucking happy. I'm not trying to be racist. That's why I picked this monkey, bro. What the fuck? Let's see what you're capable of.
Try it wine.
Oh! There's shortcuts and shits. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god, monkey can swim, bro. Monkey can swim, bro.
Try it wine.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Bro, that guy is going crazy right now. Oh my goodness gracious. What? What the fuck was that? Holy shit doodle, bro. I'm locking in, bro. What the fuck? I have coconut, bro.
Oh, great.
God damn, son. We're going crazy, boys.
Try it
We're
wine.
going crazy. What? Easiest game be fucking life, bro. Don't
Try it
judge the monkey.
Oh,
Are you serious right now? What? Bro, this shit is heavy as fuck. Bro, they throw me in the fucking trash can. I mean, it's okay though. That's where I sleep, bro. Trash. Because I'm a fucking monkey. Yes, sir. I have booster, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, this shit is easy, bro. Monkey number one. Oh, gaga. Monkey. I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. Oh, look at this bitch ass. So fucking happy, bro. I'm not trying to be racist, but I think this monkey is so fucking monkey. What? He's so black too, bro. He's so black. Black monkey. Black monkey. Holy shit, bro. I'm not racist though. What the hell? Black monkey. Holy shit, he's going crazy.
3,
Let's do this, bro.
1, go!
Monkey versus society. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No way. No fucking way I'm stuck. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? I'm stuck. Oh my god, I'm stuck. What the fuck? No way. No way I'm stuck. No way I'm fucking stuck, bro. What the fuck? No! Now fuck that, bro. Fuck this, bro. See you tomorrow, monkeys.